Hi guys, today we will see how to install Windows operating systems. Please follow attentively. Here's a step-by-step guide to installing Windows OS Windows 10 or 11 on your computer, either from a USB flash drive or DVD. What you need first: Windows ISO file from Microsoft official site, USB flash drive at least 8 GB or DVD, Rufus tool if using USB to create a bootable drive, your Windows product key if needed, and a PC or laptop that meets system requirements. Step by step. How to install Windows 10 or 11. Step 1. Download the Windows ISO. Go to the official Microsoft website https://www.microsoft.com/software-download/choose Windows 10 or Windows 11. Click Download tool now. For Windows 10 or create installation media for Windows 11, follow the prompts to download the ISO file. Step 2. Create a bootable USB using Rufus. Download Rufus, https://rufus. Plug in your USB drive minimum 8 GB. Open Rufus and choose the device, your USB boot selection. Choose the Windows ISO file partition scheme MBR for BIOS or GPT. For UEFI, click Start. It will erase your USB and make it bootable. Step 3. Boot from the USB or DVD. Insert the bootable USB or DVD into your PC. Restart the PC and press the boot key, usually F12, ESC, Del or F2 as it starts up. Choose the USB or DVD from the boot menu. Step 4. Begin Windows installation. After booting, you'll see the Windows setup screen. Choose your language, time and keyboard layout. Click Next. Click Install now. Step 5. Enter product key. If you have a product key, enter it now. If not, click I don't have a product key to install a trial version you can activate later. Step 6. Select Windows Edition. Choose your preferred edition, e.g., Windows 10 Pro, Windows 11 Home, and click Next. Step 7. Accept license terms. Check the box to accept Microsoft's terms and click Next. Step 8. Choose installation type. Click Custom, install Windows Only Advanced. Step 9. Partition the hard drive. If installing on a new or formatted drive, select an allocated space and click Next. If replacing an old version, delete the old partitions if needed, then install on the empty space. Warning: this will erase all data on those partitions. Step 10. Windows installs automatically. Windows will begin copying and installing files. Your PC may restart several times. Don't interrupt it. Step 11. Set up Windows. Choose your region and keyboard layout. Connect to Wi-Fi optional. Sign in with your Microsoft account or create one. Choose your privacy settings and preferences. Wait for the setup to complete. Done. You now have Windows installed. You'll be taken to the desktop and you can start installing drivers, apps, and Windows updates. Optional after installation: install drivers especially for graphics, sound, and Wi-Fi. Run Windows Update. Install antivirus software. Activate Windows if you haven't yet. Thank you for your attention. Please like, subscribe, and share.